In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a TikTok style shoppable video feed section into your Shopify store without using any app. This is a section that we are going to build. Here, mute toggle button. Here is a product link to your each card. When click, then it redirects to specific product and play and pause functionality and a custom slider. I will publish video feed post into my portfolio website abidshopifydev.com. You can read this post. These are the steps to create section. Number 1, create section. Go to online store, themes, edit code and sections. Go to online store, themes, edit code, create a new section file, name custom or video feed dot liquid. Press enter and copy this entire code that I will post on my portfolio website. Copy this code and paste here. Click save. Step number 2, add add the section to your theme. Go to online store, themes, edit theme, open link in new tab, add section, search video feed section, video feed, click save. Step number 3, add video card blocks. Each card has a video URL and a product link to each card. Create video card block. Here paste your video URL. I have uploaded videos. Copy link and paste here. Control V in Windows and Command V on Mac. Select product. Same for second card. Add video card, paste link, select another product, save, preview. Now repeat for all videos. I have uploaded videos into my another Shopify store. You can upload your own videos. Paste here. And same repeat. Yeah. Step number 4, save and preview. That we already save and preview. Now let me explain this code step by step. This is a schema of video feed section. Each section has a setting of padding top and padding bottom, and blocks of each video card block. Each block has a URL setting where we pasted custom URL with linked product. This is URL and this is selected product. Refresh. And here we loop through section blocks. If each block is video card, then grab selected product and store into linked product variable this product. And for each card, if video URL is not blank, then block.settings.video URL, add link and the video will show here. Then render video, Otherwise, if the video URL is blank, like here in this case, then show black screen with play button here. This is the code for overlay, and this for mute button, this mute button, and this is the code for linked product with linked product URL with image and title with price, and also a search icon, this search icon, sorry, arrow icon. We have used Swiper.js. Here is a CDN version, CDN link of CSS file, and here JavaScript file, CSS for styling and JavaScript for custom functionality. Here pagination. This is for slider. We have shown 5 slides on desktop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 slides on tablet and 2 on mobile. 3 slides on desktop, tablet, and 2 slides on mobile. This is the code for play and pause functionality, and also mute button functionality, mute toggle functionality. We selected all of our video cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, all of the video cards, and loop through all video. Select its wrapper, overlay and mute button of each video. Add event listener, click event listener to each wrapper. This is a wrapper of each video. And add click event listener. When click on each wrapper, then function will execute. And if there is a mute button, then don't run this code and early return. This is a guard clause. And if it is not a mute button, for example, when we click here, then play and pause functionality execute. If the video is already paused, for example, the video is already paused here, then this function will call with the active video. This function will execute. It accept one parameter of current video, and it will loop through all videos and pause all videos except the current video. For example, pause all videos except the current video. And if the video is not already paused, it means it is played, then pause video. For example, if the video is not paused, it is playing, then pause it. This is mute button functionality. Click on mute button. For example, muted value is false, then video is muted, and when click here, then it change from false to true. Now muted is equal to true. Based on condition, the video is muted or non-muted, like here. And also change icon based on muted or non-muted. For example, this icon and this icon. This is a functionality of autoplay, when video autoplay as they scroll into view, and pause when they scroll out. For example, when scroll out, then videos are paused, and when scroll into view, 50% of the opacity, 50% of the intersection, then the videos played. Here threshold, which means when 50% is in the view, then all videos are played, automatically played, and if out of the view, then they stop. If you run any issue, you can contact me. Subscribe if this helped. I post Shopify builds like this regularly. See you in the next one. Thank you.